We had to stop again. It's these views. Yasu!
Yasu from Ελλάδα.
The sun's shining, the birds are out.
Our singlets are on.
Singlets are on, shorts are on. Whew. We need wheelchairs after that food.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So good to have some Greek food again.
Missed it. Missed it.
Here's the scooter we've hired. 125cc, little beast. Absolutely beautiful. This is where all the fresh octopus comes from, these boats. Welcome to Angelokastro. Hey, have a look at this. How's this boat? It would be unreal being in the bottom chamber here, cruising around these crystal clear waters. Another beach right next door. Just driving the scooter to the next destination and we've found another beach. Rule number one. You just simply cannot drive past a beautiful beach and not stop. Rule number one never fails, ever. Just have a look at this. Back on the scooter, let's go! We had to stop again, it's just these views.
Insane.
So yeah, we were just down here. Went off a bit of a detour, come across this abandoned house. I don't understand how you could possibly abandon a house with a view like this. We've got a bit to see today, so we're not going to hike up to the castle, but we're going to fly the drone up.
Angelokastro, Castle of Angelos or Castle of the Angel, is a Byzantine castle at the top of the highest peak of the island's shoreline and the northwest coast near Angelokastro.
Angelokastro is one of the most important fortified complexes of Corfu. It was an acropolis which surveyed the region all the way to the southern Adriatic and presented a formidable strategic vantage point to the occupant of the castle.
So we're walking now to Corfu, which is a viewpoint where two beaches collide. I'm sure it'll be a beautiful view. Hardest decision of the day, to go right or to keep going and head to the left.
Heading back up now. Man, that water was unreal. Nice and fresh. Heaps of fish. Angie even got in despite the coldness.
Yeah, half my body.
But heading back up now and gonna finish the day with just scooting around, seeing as much as possible. Today is Good Friday for Greek Orthodox, so we're walking around looking at all the pre-Easter traditions, looking at the epitafios, walking around from all the other churches. There are services going on everywhere, even services colliding in the streets. It's crazy how many churches there are here.
What do you think, Abby?
Oh, unbelievable. Crystal's the nasty.
So, what did you think of the food?
10 out of 10. Easy. There's no other rating that could describe that. It was perfect. Good servings, good quantity, great taste. Just smiles all around.
Yeah.
Your thoughts?
Perfect. Now I'm enjoying a freddo cappuccino. I can smell some more lamb. We're at the beach. We're going to go for a boat tour now.
We're back at Angelokastro.
Για τα λεφτά τα κάνεις όλα, για τα λεφτά δεν μ' αγαπάς. Μα θα έρθει κάποτε η ώρα και δεν τα ξέρεις που χρωστάς. Για τα λεφτά τα κάνεις όλα, για τα λεφτά δεν μ' αγαπάς. Μα θα έρθει κάποτε η ώρα και δεν τα ξέρεις που χρωστάς. Φεύγω πως δεν με κρέμονεις κι ο φιλιά που με κερνάς. Ξέρω γιατί με πληγώνεις και γιατί με τυρνάς. Για τα λεφτά τα κάνεις όλα, για τα λεφτά δεν μ' αγαπάς. Μα θα έρθει κάποτε η ώρα και δεν τα ξέρεις που χρωστάς. Για τα λεφτά.
What do you reckon, Andrew? Go for a dip?
I think so. I think this is the beach.
The beach of the day we finally park at.
Look over there. Easter in Greece is slowly coming to an end. We've got one last thing to do, and that's get some Greek desserts. How was your day, Andy?
Unreal. So many souvlas on rotation.
How many did you see?
Lost count. It was a beautiful sight, beautiful island, beautiful day swimming. Just all in all a great weekend. We'll see you in the next episode.